Welcome to the wildest adventure of the year. Join the junior jungle and zoo friends as they embark on an exciting journey to meet amazing animals from lush rainforests and fun-filled zoos. Through playful exploration and hands-on discovery, young adventurers will learn about the lives, habitats, and unique traits of creatures big and small. Camels are herbivores and will eat almost any available desert vegetation, including thorny, dry, and salty plants that most other animals would avoid. Camels were domesticated over 3,000 years ago. They have been essential for transportation, milk, meat, wool, and leather for desert-dwelling cultures. Camel milk is incredibly nutritious. Sheep have excellent memories. They can remember and recognize the faces of at least 50 other sheep for over 2 years. They can also recognize human faces. Sheep are flock-oriented animals and become highly stressed if they are separated from the group. This is a primary defense mechanism against predators. Sheep will seek out specific plants to eat that can help make them feel better. Sloths have the slowest metabolism of any non-hibernating mammal. It can take them up to 30 days to digest a single leaf. This is why they move so slowly, to conserve energy. Sloths only descend from their trees about once a week for one reason: to relieve themselves. They dig a small hole at the base of their tree, do their business, and cover it up. Sloths have an amazing ability to turn their heads up to 270 degrees. Goats are very social and live in herds. A herd has a strict hierarchy, often led by a dominant female, a queen. They can stand and nurse within minutes of being born and are running and jumping within hours. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated by humans, around 11,000 years ago in the Middle East. Pandas have a special, false thumb, an extended wrist bone, that helps them grip bamboo stalks. Pandas are excellent at climbing trees and can also swim. Pandas are a symbol of China and are often used in diplomacy, called panda diplomacy. No two pandas have the exact same black and white pattern, just like human fingerprints. Cows can remember faces, human and animal, for a long time. Cows have a special digestive system with 4 compartments to help them eat tough grass. A cow can produce over 25 liters of milk a day, which is used for dairy products like cheese, butter, and yogurt. Despite their size, cows are generally calm and gentle animals. Chickens were first domesticated around 8,000 years ago in Southeast Asia. Chickens are the most numerous bird species on Earth, with over 25 billion globally. Chicken is one of the most consumed meats globally due to its versatility and relatively low cost. Chickens have a social hierarchy called the pecking order. Wolves, Canis lupus, are the largest members of the Canidae family, which includes dogs, coyotes, and foxes. Wolves are famous for their howling, which serves to communicate over long distances to assemble the pack, defend their territory, and coordinate movements. Wolves are apex predators, meaning they sit at the top of the food chain. Tigers are the largest members of the cat family, even bigger than lions. Tigers usually live and hunt alone, marking their large territories with scent. No two tigers have the same stripe pattern, just like human fingerprints. Unlike most big cats, tigers love water and are excellent swimmers. Whether it's hearing the roar of a lion or watching monkeys swing through trees, this experience brings the wonder of the animal kingdom right to your fingertips. They'll learn how zoo animals are cared for and protected, and discover how wild animals thrive in their natural environments.